Hey guys, let me show you how cool this new product is that I just created. Okay, let me just open everything up here so you can see. Okay, so basically this new product is a set of tools that you can use to create your own, good-looking graphics for your mini site. This is for simpler things like, check marks and bullets and order buttons and stuff like that. Little badges and guarantee signs. But you can also use this for more complicated things like, ebook covers, headers, and print graphics. You can pretty much use this for any kind of graphic that you need, but basically the the main thing is that it's for is for all these like simpler things. So let me show you how all of this works and what the package is all about. Okay, so basically what the package consists of is a set of templates for all of these simple graphics and a set of layer styles. Okay, some of the templates are simple shapes that like an arrow, like a square, order button, check mark, and some of the templates come pre-installed with all kinds of effects and layers that you can customize to create your own uh, more complicated graphics. So you can say like there's a circular button that you can use to create like a number button or a check mark, or you can put like a price in there. You can pretty much any text in there that you want, but it also comes pre-installed with some popular things like arrows and X's and check marks and stuff like that. So let me walk you through this whole product and how all of this stuff works together. So let's start with the more complicated template. So you get the template, which you can see right here. It comes pre-installed with all kinds of layers, and to make the layer visible, you just have to click on this on one of these check marks here. Okay, and this adds like arrow or whatever, like text, check mark in there that you can modify to whatever you like. But I have some presets here ready to go, so you can be up and running in a few clicks. So basically, you activate this, then and then each of these layers on the button here, each of the layers are customizable. They all come on their own, separate layer. So you can move them around, you can modify them, you can like distort them, resize them, and you can add all kinds of specific effects to every individual layer. So you can change like the style of the arrow in there. You can change the style of the border. You can get rid of the border if you want. So again, just a few clicks away, you can get rid of the border. You can get rid of the shadow underneath the button. You can modify the circle itself. Okay, and all it takes is a few clicks with these layer styles here. There's 100 different layer styles, and they're all pre-designed for this clean, look. These are brand new. I haven't released these ones yet. So this is a brand new set of layer styles, and yeah, all it takes is a few clicks, and there's hundreds and thousands of different combinations that you can do and create, just any kind of look that you're going for. If you want to, you can create a whole set of these, buttons for your own clients and sell them in the package of like templates. And this is just one of the templates that I have. I also have others like this order button here, and other ones like price badges and guarantee signs, stuff like that. There's about 10 different more complicated templates like these ones here, and then there's a whole bunch of simpler ones that just have the shapes. But let me show you the order button as an example. Okay, so the order button, again, everything comes in its own layer. You can move everything around. Like you can move the arrows around. You can flip them upside down or rotate them, whatever. You can get rid of them if you don't want the arrows there. You can get rid of that text if you don't like it. You can choose the text that you want. So instead of order now, you can choose download now, join now. Like I have a whole bunch of text here pre-installed, ready to go, like the most popular button text. But but you can also type in your own text. You know, your text. You can get rid of the credit cards. You can get rid of the shadow. Okay, you can move the stuff around too if you put it above the button or below the button. And everything here is also you can change the style and the colors and everything on these buttons as well. And then the check marks. Pretty much everything you see, you can modify it, resize it, move it around, change the style with a few clicks. You can change the text as well. Change the style of the text. So there's a lot of variety that you can have with these with these templates. Okay, and you can also resize these templates to how big or how small you want them to be. So say you wanna you wanna use this as a print graphic. You wanna have it at 300 dpi, you can do that. So let me just show you. Okay, so you can blow it up to be like a big size if you want. Okay, so you can it's kind of hard to see here, but you can blow it up to however big you want it to be, and it will not lose its quality. Or you can make it small. If you want to have just like a little check mark or something on your website, you can do that as well. Okay, so if you want to have like a little check mark, you can do that. And there's like 10 different of these more complicated shapes. Like I said, there's everything from order buttons to like those round buttons to like guarantee signs, stuff like that. And then there's also a whole bunch of simpler shapes like check marks, arrows, order buttons that don't have all of the pre-installed like text over them. But you can also easily use these for your website. Uh, just choose the shape that you want, stick it on your website and you're pretty much done. Or you can also customize them into more complex shapes by, dragging whatever you want on top of the other shape. Put on top of the order button inside like the little square here. And all of these are on their own layer, and all of these you can customize the style with these layer styles here. And you can also resize them to however big or small you want them. You can blow them up to be as big as you want, or you can leave them this size. Okay, so they don't lose the quality. So as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff with this product. You can mix and match. You can combine all of these little shapes together. You can, mix and match the layer styles, resize everything, and create hundreds of different buttons yourself. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this product, and I'll see you in the next video.